Hello guys, hi Ranjit. All of you welcome to my YouTube channel Learning Corner. So after a long day, I make a video at my home, and this video is on the some important kick that help you for your self defense, and these kick are very effective in street fight or in karate MMA fight. Okay, start the video. So the first technique is Mawasi-giri. Okay, or roundhouse kick, and this kick is like, see, in here in fighting position, and then just kick. Okay, you can do in the front leg also, in like this. And this kick is done like first by the back leg or in front leg, and by the first is to lift your leg and like this, then kick. Okay, then hold, then down. Again by the back leg, lift, kick, back, hold, down. Okay, and this kick is done by the feet of your leg. Okay, and this kick is done on the face of the enemy, and you you should do this kick very effective and by giving a power, and you should practice this kick for uh, 10 times or 20 times daily in fighting position or in Zenko Sodachi. And yeah, this, and in Zenko Sodachi you do this kick like this. Okay, this in front leg, this, then down, this, then down. Okay, and in this kick the turning of your hip is very important, like here, this, here, see, turn. My hip is turning from here to here. Okay, here, and you should turn your hip very fast, like here, this. Okay, and now, and the next technique is my giri. Okay, or front kick, and this kick is like this in fighting position, by the back leg, lift, kick, lift, down, lift, kick, back, down. Okay, and this kick is also done by the feet of your leg, and you can do this kick by yeah, in Zenko Sodachi, in this, in the front leg, in Shikodachi position. See, I'm seeing this here, then Shikodachi down, kick, in Shikodachi down. Okay, and in Zenko Sodachi also, see, like here, this, okay, in front leg, this. And all of you know that what are Zenko Sodachi stance or Shikodachi stance. Okay, and this kick is should be done on the face of the enemy or in the chest or in stomach. Okay, and this kick is only required in street fight, and this kick is very effective in street fight. Okay, and this kick is not in some karate stances. In many stances, this kick is not required or not available. Okay, and you should practice this kick for 10 or 20 times daily. Okay, and now it is side kick. Okay, and this kick is very effective, and it is also my favorite kick. Okay, and this kick is like this. See, here in fighting position, this. Okay, here in front leg, this. Okay, and this kick is by the lower part of your leg. Okay, or by the heel, and you can do this kick on the face of the enemy or in the chest or in belly, wherever you can. And this kick is not in the karate MMA fight, in many stance. Okay, and you can do this kick in street fight, and this kick is very effective. And you can realize that if I do this kick on someone, then what a deadly kick this is. Okay, and you can see in Zenko Sudachi, see this Zenko Sudachi stance, and now here the side kick is like this. Then again Zenko Sudachi, kick back in front leg, kick back, kick back. Okay, and this kick should be done for 10 to 20 times. Yeah, and this kick is also very effective, and don't do all the technique on someone as a show off. Okay, so this much today, and these are all the techniques which I have shown. These are very effective, and these are the important kicks in karate. Okay, so this much today. Thanks for watching. Bye guys, and if you like my video, press the like icon, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of my video. Thanks for watching. Bye guys, see you in the next video.